everybody. It's me again. I was thinking about making a video about me doing some stuff to one of my keyboards. This used to be a Wise keyboard, Wise terminal keyboard. It's cherry black and it's plate mounted, as you can see. And what I'm doing here is I have a desolder desolder device, and I use it to properly desolder all these switches, because I want to use these switches for my new, soon to be live web shop on Mrinterface.com, where I offer bags of all kinds of keyboard switches for you to try. It'll also contain several bags containing other things, like for instance the different keycap material, like ABS and PBT and POM, and there will be another bag inside with keycaps which will show you the different keycap lettering, like dice up or double shot or lasered or whatever. It will all be in there, and you buy the bag, so you don't have to return it or send it on to somebody else. That's the idea, and I just wanted to show you how I desolder these MX black switches. It's a very nice device. I already desoldered some of these, and I'm going to show you how I do this. I just press it on until I see the tin going into a fluid state, and I just I just push it on the pin, and you can hear in the background, you can hear the vacuum pump, and it all enters the chamber here. I need to clean it now and again, and and then if they are desoldered, like this one here, I can just pop it off. There we go. An MX Black. It's I think it's an old type MX Black, because it was an old Wise terminal keyboard. So according to some people, there's a difference in MX Black old and MX Black new. But anyway, I'm going to put them in the bag, and you can try them for yourself. Right, hope you liked the video.